Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll show you how to use Shopify's AR features to showcase your products and give customers an interactive shopping experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Upload a 3D model. Log into Shopify Admin and go to the Products section. Select the product you want to add augmented reality, AR, to. Click Add Media and upload a JLB or UST file of your product. Save the changes. Step 2. Enable AR View. Go to Online Storage Themes and click Customize. Ensure your theme supports 3D models and AR, like Dawn or similar themes. If supported, customers will see a View in your space option when viewing the product on mobile. Step 3. Test the AR experience. Open your store on a mobile device. Go to the product page and tap View in your space. Move your phone around to place the product in a real environment. Outro. And that's it. Now, your Shopify store is AR enabled, helping customers visualize products in their space before purchasing. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tutorials. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.